I have KRUGER Matz Live 7 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Then find and select here the settings. From list of settings you need to find and choose display and select wallpaper. As you can see, you can choose wallpaper from your gallery. You can choose wallpaper from photos or from the KRUGER Matz wallpaper. Let me use the wallpaper. And here you can select something from the following gallery. In my case, let me just use the following one. Use this select button and you can set wallpaper on home screen, lock screen or on your both screens. Let me use the lock screen and that's it. Now if you press the power key, you should see the new wallpaper and everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.